1, 2, 3, funk it.
Okay, so this is my door. I'm room A. That's Elizabeth's room. So you walk in, and this is like what you see first. Here's just like an overview, I guess. So I got this wallpaper, everything. Okay, so to the right is this mirror, which is just my closet. Honestly, nothing special. I just have clothes hanging and then some like baskets and stuff. And then over here, I have like this little shoe organizer. I don't even know if you can see that, but that's like my poncho, belts, and some shoes. And then, let me close this. And then we go over to this corner, which I think is super cute. I have these little prints that I actually designed myself, and then I just had them printed before I came at like Walgreens. So they're all different Disney movies, obviously, and this was like my color scheme that I wanted to go for. In this corner, I just have some little knickknacks and stuff. I should probably turn this on also. Was not prepared. There we go. Cute. Okay. So in this corner, I just have this little like balloon dog. I don't know if it's metal. My mom got it for me from Amazon, I think. And then I have this little mirror, just like a tiny little mirror. From Target. I have my pin board, and this is from TJ Maxx. They had like gray too, and then they also had like a star shape, maybe a few other shapes I can't remember. And these are all my pins I've got so far here. And then this is my little like tray situation. Most of the things I have are either from Amazon or Target. But I'll still mention where everything's from. So this tray is from Amazon. These are my sunglasses and then my regular glasses. This is a candle. We're not supposed to light any candles here, but I just think it's pretty, so I have that. And then I got this little tiny canvas from Cast Connections. I thought it was so cute. And then I have this little like postcard that says Denver, which is where I'm from. And then my mom just actually sent this to me. I got it today. It's a little card, but I thought it was so cute. So I kept it as decoration. And then this is like a little jewelry organizer. Just have like rings. All like my pin backs are on the top. This is a fake plant because I can't keep plants alive. So I got a fake one to spice up the room. And then in this little area, this is my mini Jack. Jack is at basic training right now for the Air Force. This is what I have of him right now, since we can't really talk except write letters, but this is Jack. And then, oh my gosh, don't fall. Okay. And then this, ooh, okay. This, when we were in Bismarck, Jack and I did these little canvases with paint pens, and we each did our own and then gave it to each other. So he made this one and he wanted to do cursive, so I thought it was so cute. So I brought it with me. This is from Amazon. It's just a tiny little light up K. And these are my ears that I got at Traditions. Oh my gosh, he fell again. Come on. There we go. Okay, and then these, oh my gosh, these were some roommate gifts. Elizabeth painted all of us a canvas, and we all have different favorite parks at Disney World. So mine's Magic Kingdom. So she painted the castle, which is so cute. And then Natalie got us these little canvases that we can paint on our own. So I bought some paint pens and painted it, and I think it's so cute. And then this is super random, but these stamps, I found them at the post office, and I was like, maybe I'll put them on Jack's letters. but they're just like too pretty to use, so I will not be using them. This is just a speaker that Jack got me for my birthday. I use it in the shower because it's waterproof. And then I got this little autograph book that they had at Cast Connections for like 99 cents. And I know they're not doing autographs right now, but I wanted to do it because all my roommates got one, and we're all gonna have our friends like sign the book at the end of our program, which I think is super cute. So that's that corner. And then there's just like some drawers and stuff. Obviously this came with the room. And then down here is just like a little bag situation. I got this for my brother. This basket's just holding like some bags, like my pool bag, my backpack. And then this, my new baby. Brie and I got the last two at Mouse Gear when we were there, maybe like last week. I'm sure they got more, but we each got one. And I love how big it is. It's super big compared to other Loungeflies. So I just like have that ready for when I want to go to the park. And then obviously I have string lights because who doesn't love string lights? They're just cute and cozy. This is my view. Nothing special, but oh, hi. Like over there you can kind of see the common area. But yeah, this is my view, just another building over there. And then this corner, I got this little poof. I don't know why, to sit on. I don't sit on it, but, and then I got this basket to hold like my extra blankets and stuff. And then these are all the Squishmallows and stuff I sleep with. I literally don't know their names. I forgot their names, but because their tags came off. This I found in Epcot. Seriously. This I found in Epcot on my vacation before I moved in, and I just thought it was so cute. It's like a little potato, but as a cupcake, so I thought that was cute. And then obviously over here is my wallpaper, and I feel super extra, but I just think it looks so cute. So it's just like this little gold leopard print, and it's removable. It's just sticky. So, and I just did a little stripe across the wall. This wall's blank. I kind of want to put something there, but not really sure. Also my brother put this up, so shout out to Austin for putting that up because I would not have done that. And then this is my bed. Everything's from Target, I want to say. This is from Home Goods or TJ Maxx. Jack got it for me like at the beginning of this year. My bedding is like this white waffle bedding from Target. My sheets are also from Target. They're this little flower pattern. And then I have all my pillows. I know it's a lot. I didn't realize how many I ordered, but that's okay. I know this is from Target. Super cute, like tiger prints or tiger print. And then this one is also from Target. I want to say Target, I'm not sure. That striped one over there is also Target. Like, it's kind of a half body pillow. That circle rattan one is from Target. I think it's supposed to be an outdoor pillow, but like whatever. And then this body pillow and body pillow covers also from Target. And so I just wanted like a little desert, like boho theme. I don't know. In my room back home, I do not have this much color, so I just wanted to be fun for while I'm here. And then under the bed are like these little, oh my gosh, my knees, drawers that open. I just have some like, I don't know, it's kind of messy in there. Some like books and stuff. But yeah, it's nice for like storage. And then this situation's kind of messy, but this is just my water bottle. So it came with this like nightstand thing, and I guess it's adjustable so it can move up and down. But this is just my random alarm clock I brought. I got this little set, like tray dish thing from Target. It came in a set of 2, so I gave the other one to Elizabeth. That's just a picture of me and Jack that Jack gave me for my birthday, I think. I found this at Target. I didn't need it, but I thought it was cute. And I just put like my magic bands, some masks, AirPods, stuff like that. Tissues, obviously, because allergies. I keep all my letters from Jack here just so I can go back and reread them. They make me happy. And then down here, it's kind of messy. I have this basket. It just has like random stuff in it. I don't even know. My computer. I got this beach bucket from a kids meal in Dino Land. So my mom just put it there. I haven't moved it. And then over there is just a whole situation of cords. I don't know what to do with it. And then I put this little trash bin underneath. Here is a little print. It says, "A dream is a wish your heart makes." And Brie all got us different like art prints for our roommate gifts. And I think this is so cute. So I just hung it right next to my bed. This is like the whole bed overview. I'll try to get the whole thing. Whole shebang. Yeah, I think it's so cute. I just like hanging out in here. It makes me happy. Oh my gosh, I forgot to mention this rug is from Amazon. It's a bit small, but she's still cute. This is the bathroom. It's kind of messy right now, especially my side. But in here, we got this cute shower curtain. And then Elizabeth got this cute like shower mat to match. I feel like I did that pretty quick. Hopefully I didn't miss anything. I feel like I'm forgetting stuff, but hopefully I didn't. Maybe at some point I'll film like a whole apartment tour. We live at the new DCP complex. It's been pretty nice so far. I really like my room and everything. So yeah, I just wanted to do a little room tour because I'm really proud of it. I think it's so cute and I love being in here. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked my room and I'll see you in my next video.
I love you.